Hello everyone, this is the fourth video in the series of the power of Python and this is part 3. Here we are going to discuss the modules in details. So what are the modules? In Python, modules are a way to structure your code by grouping related functions, classes and variables together. A module is simply a Python file with a .py extension that can be imported and used in another Python code. So suppose you are running a program in which you require addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, these functions quite often. So instead of writing it in the main program, if you create a module of this four functions separately named calculator, then we can import this module calculator in our program and we can access those functions for our programming. So let us see how we can do that. So take spider. First we will open the spider. And we have already written some functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in this spider file. So we will save it as calculator in our main folder where we are going to use it in the program. So it will be saved as a .py file. Now let us minimize it and let us try to use it in our program. So the keyword that we are going to use to import the module is import, then module name, and we will create alias as calc of the calculator module, and we will see how we can. First we will run it, then we will take a res variable in which we are going to use this calc, and if we place a dot and a tab after that, we will see that there are four functions available for our programming. So we will take division first. We will try to pass two arguments, those are 15, 3, and we will print its value. So what is 15 divided by 3? It is 5. So we are going to get float point number, that is 5.0. Similarly, if we want to use addition function or subtraction function, we will use the same method. We will take a variable called res and we will assign the value through a function subtraction, and its value will means the argument which we are going to pass are 30, 20, and we will print the result. So it will be 10. So this is how we can use modules in our program. So that was the end of fourth video. Thank you very much.